Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're going to dive into the best tank top dress plus size. The AusLook plus size summer tank dress for women. This dress is a must-have for those sunny days when you want something casual yet stylish, with just the right amount of comfort and elegance. The AusLook plus size summer tank dress comes in a variety of colors and sizes ranging from 1X to 5X, making it a great option for every plus size woman out there. It's made from a combination of 95% rayon and 5% spandex, offering a lightweight, breathable fabric that stretches nicely to provide the ultimate comfort. Whether you're running errands, attending a casual gathering, or just lounging around the house, this dress is a perfect choice. One of the standout features of this dress is its sleeveless design and crewneck style, making it ideal for hot summer days. The loose, flowy fit is incredibly flattering, as it allows you to move freely while still providing a lovely shape. The pleated baby doll silhouette hides the stomach and hips, so it's perfect for anyone looking to feel comfortable yet confident. Plus, it comes with two side pockets, which are not just a cute detail but super practical too. Another thing you'll love about this dress is its versatility. You can dress it up or down depending on the occasion. Pair it with a cute belt, some jewelry, or a hat for a chic look, or keep it simple with sandals for a laid-back vibe. It's the perfect piece to transition from day to night, and the material ensures you stay cool, even when temperatures rise. The AusLook plus size summer tank dress also makes an excellent option for vacation, beach days, or even as a casual maternity dress. The flowy design and soft material give you a lot of flexibility, and the style is relaxed enough to provide comfort throughout your day, no matter where you are. The dress's knee-length cut makes it just right for showing off your favorite summer shoes, from sandals to sneakers, without being too short or too long. This tank dress is machine washable, which means it's easy to care for, and it's imported, ensuring a high-quality construction. Available in a variety of colors, including black, lake blue, and sunflower, this dress is sure to complement any wardrobe, and with its flattering fit, it will quickly become a summer staple. If you're in search of the perfect tank dress that combines comfort, style, and a great fit, then the AusLook plus size summer tank dress is definitely worth considering. Its easy care, breathable fabric, flattering cut, and practical pockets make it a standout piece for any casual occasion. So, that's a wrap for today's review on the best tank top dress plus size. If you're ready to update your summer wardrobe, make sure to check out the AusLook plus size summer tank dress. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our latest reviews here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching.